Good morning, dear children. In today's video, you will learn what is chart, what are the different components of chart, and how to insert chart in our presentation. So, watch the video carefully. Today's topic: charts in PowerPoint. Chart is an effective way to display data in graphical or pictorial form. Charts make it easier to show comparison and growth, relationship among the values and trends in data. Charts provide an accurate analysis of the information. When we insert a chart, the data is displayed in a spatial window called data sheet, and a chart gets updated automatically with any change in data. Now, components of a chart. First is chart area. The chart area includes the complete area and all the other objects in a chart. Second is category axis. It is also called x-axis, which stands horizontally. That means horizontal axis called category axis. Value axis. Value axis also called y-axis. It is the vertical axis that is used to plot the values. Fourth component is data series. Data series are the bars, slices, or the other elements that shows the data values. Fifth is category name. The category names are the labels displayed on the x-axis and y-axis. Plot area. The plot area is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Seventh is legend. Legend depicts the color, pattern or the symbols that are assigned to the data series. Eighth is chart title. It describes the aim and contents of the chart. Grid lines. This can either be horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. Today we will learn how to insert chart in our presentation. So, click on New Slide option. Select Title and Content Layout. Here we will give title to our presentation, that is Insert Chart. Now we apply design to our presentation. You know, we can apply any design according to our choice to our presentation from design menu. Select any pattern or design to make it attractive. We can apply background color from color plate. We can apply other pattern from patterns or background style. I am selecting this style. Now we will insert chart. Click on Insert menu. Select Chart option. Here it will show different types of chart, different category of chart. Line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, bubble chart, etc. This is the line chart. This is area chart, stock chart, bubble chart. We can select any type of chart according to our requirement. I am selecting here column chart. This one, first one. Click on OK button. Now here our chart will display with the default data sheet which is already created in MS Excel. This is our data sheet. Now to present chart according to our requirement, we have to change this displayed data sheet. That means we have to enter new data according to our requirement. Like I am selecting first column category 1, 2, 3 and deleting, and then I am typing new field name, that is roll number 1, 2, 3, 4. I am making data sheet for mark sheet to display marks of different subject. Now in second column I am typing name. See the chart, it is automatically changing as per the entered data. I am entering here name Ajay, Chetan, Disha, Trisha. Fine. We can resize our data sheet. That means if we want more column, we can extend the size of the data sheet. Now here I am entering the marks of English subject. This is a dummy data sheet, dummy mark sheet, which I am using to display the chart. You know about the various components of the chart. The chart title, chart area, plot area, data series, legends, x-axis, y-axis. See here I am typing new data and chart is automatically changing. I am entering the marks of 3 subjects: English, Science, Maths. Carefully you have to see the picture. Okay, here are the marks of 3 subject, name and roll number. And the chart will display the data according to the new worksheet. We can apply different color design to our data sheet also, to our chart also. See, these are the different elements, different components of the chart: data series, legend, this is axis to display data, chart area, plot area. These are all the different components of the chart.